Hello, my name is Dan Oakes. I'm the creator of Cooking, and today I'm going to show you a cool magic scan trick that you might not be aware of. So what I'm going to do first is tap on the bottom here where it says My Recipes, and then I'm going to tap the plus on the bottom right hand side there, and I'm going to choose Scan Recipe. Okay, this gets me into the magic scan mode. And now I'm going to tap Photo Library to select an image from my library. I'm going to go to Collections, Favorites. And as you can see, I took a screenshot of a recipe and it was too big to fit on one screen. So I'm going to select multiple images here. Boom, boom, boom. And I'm going to tap the little blue checkbox in the top right corner. And all those images come into Cooking. Now, before I tap submit to send this to the magical Cooking elves, I noticed that I got these out of order. As you can see, the directions go steps 1, 2, 3, and then 7, and then 4, 5, 6. So if you happen to get your images out of order like this, here's the little trick. Are you ready for this? If you tap and hold, that's called long press. So if you long press on the image, I'm going to long press on the one that has the number 7 here, and then I'm going to drag my thumb downward to drag it and drop it and to move it. Are you ready? So I'm going to tap and hold, and then I'm just going to drag downward. And as you can see, I was able to drag that image from the 3rd position to the 4th, or the last position. So now my recipe images are in the correct order. And now I can tap submit. The Cooking elves will do their magic. Shh, they're concentrating. They're identifying my recipe name, ingredients, and directions. And so there's a little magic scan tip for you. All you have to do is long press and drag to change the order of your images, and you'll be good to go. Bada bing, bada boom. Woo! Nice! So good, baby cakes. Woohoo!